Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to hide your Instagram likes and views on your posts. So let's get started. So let's go to our profile, but before we start, I had to mention this is not the default option for Instagram. They just give you the option to hide your likes and views. So back to our profile, let's click on a post. For example, let's click on this one, hit the three dots in the top right corner and press hide likes, but we can still see the likes if we press view insights. As you can see here, you can still watch your stats even if it's set on hide likes. And now let me show you how you can do it for your entire profile, which basically means no, you will not see other people's likes. We need to go back to our profile, hit the three lines in the top right corner, hit settings. Here we're gonna go to privacy, scroll down, posts, and here you have the option called hide likes. The number of likes on posts from other accounts will be hidden. You can hide the number of likes on your own post by going to advanced settings before sharing. Now let's test this out by going back to our home page. As you can see here, you can't see the number of likes on any post, but you can still access it by tapping on the like option. Here still you can see how many plays the post has. But now let me show you how you can do it for yourself. So down in the middle, let's hit the plus button, let's choose a random picture, let's choose this one, hit next, next. Here you need to go to advanced settings on the bottom and turn on hide like and view counts on this post. Go back, hit share, and as you can see, if I like my own post, it writes view likes, not the count of likes on the post, but you can still access it by pressing view likes, but other people won't see it in any way or form. So that's it for today's video guys, I hope it helped. Thanks for watching and see you next time.